everyone, today we have a premium viscose crepe saree which comes with contrast blouse. Color combination antu tumba chanagide. All these sarees are very beautiful. If you are looking for plain saree with small borders, then these are the perfect ones for any occasion. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು every saree comes with different border design. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. We have variety of colors in this collection. This black saree comes with red blouse. This coffee color saree comes with mustard yellow ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಯಾರಿನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can visit our showroom directly which is located in Rajajinagar metro station or you can WhatsApp us. Thank you.